Gratitude as a path to miracles. Welcome to Timeless Teachings, where ancient wisdom meets modern life. Today we're uncovering one of the most powerful lessons from the masters of the Far East, the power of gratitude. The masters taught that gratitude is more than a feeling. It's a bridge to miracles. When you shift from focusing on what's missing to appreciating what you already have, you unlock the flow of divine blessings. In this video, we'll explore how gratitude can transform your life, attract miracles, and create lasting abundance. If you're ready to discover the path to miracles, make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get started. Section 1. Why gratitude is a spiritual practice. The masters of the Far East viewed gratitude as a spiritual muscle. They taught that the universe operates on vibrational energy, and gratitude is one of the highest vibrations you can emit. When you express gratitude, you align yourself with divine energy, opening the door for miracles to manifest. Gratitude is not about ignoring challenges, but recognizing the blessings hidden within them. The masters believed that even difficulties carry gifts, lessons, strength, and transformation, and gratitude allows you to see these gifts clearly. Practical reflection. Think about a past challenge that ultimately led to growth. How did it shape you, and what hidden blessings can you appreciate now? Expanded insight. The masters often compared gratitude to sunlight. Just as sunlight nourishes and helps plants grow, gratitude nourishes your spirit and accelerates the manifestation of your desires. Section 2. How gratitude shifts perception and attracts miracles. Gratitude changes the way you perceive the world. The masters taught that what you focus on expands. If you focus on lack, you invite more lack into your life. But when you focus on abundance, even in small things, you attract more of it. Miracles, according to the masters, aren't rare events. They're natural outcomes of living in alignment with divine energy. Gratitude shifts your awareness so you can recognize these miracles as they unfold. A simple smile, an unexpected opportunity, or a resolution to a problem can all be signs of divine intervention. Story from the masters. One story tells of a farmer facing a poor harvest. Instead of despairing, he practiced gratitude for the crops he had and trusted the divine process. Soon, an unexpected rainfall revived his fields. The lesson? Gratitude invites solutions and unexpected blessings. Practical exercise. Try starting a daily gratitude journal. Each morning or evening, write down 3 things you're grateful for, no matter how small. Feel the gratitude as you write, and notice how it shifts your perspective over time. Section 3. The science of gratitude and its impact on the mind. Modern science is beginning to catch up with ancient wisdom. Studies show that practicing gratitude rewires the brain, increasing feelings of happiness and reducing stress. The masters taught that this mental shift is what opens the path to miracles. Gratitude stimulates positive thought patterns, replacing fear and doubt with trust and optimism. When you operate from this mindset, you naturally make better decisions, recognize opportunities, and attract positive outcomes. Expanded insight. The masters emphasize that gratitude is not passive. It's an active choice to focus on the good. The more you practice it, the more it becomes second nature, creating a ripple effect of blessings in your life. Practical reflection. Ask yourself, how do I feel when I focus on what's going well versus what isn't? The emotional difference reveals the power of gratitude to elevate your energy and change your outlook. Section 4. Gratitude as a tool for manifestation. The masters of the Far East believed that gratitude amplifies manifestation. When you express gratitude for what you want, as if it's already yours, you align yourself with the energy of having it. This creates a magnetic force that draws your desires into your reality. This concept isn't just about visualizing your desires. It's about feeling the joy and gratitude of already having them. By doing so, you convince your subconscious mind that your desires are possible, which prompts inspired action and divine guidance. Practical affirmation. Try this affirmation. I am grateful for the abundance that flows effortlessly into my life. Repeat it daily and feel the gratitude deeply as you say it. Story from the masters. A student once desired financial stability but constantly worried about scarcity. The master advised them to give thanks daily for the abundance they already had, even if it was small. As their gratitude grew, so did their opportunities and financial flow. Section 5. Overcoming resistance to gratitude. Sometimes it's difficult to feel grateful, especially during challenging times. The masters acknowledged this, but taught that gratitude isn't about denying hardship. It's about finding the hidden blessings within it. Resistance to gratitude often comes from focusing on what's missing. The masters recommended starting small. Even in moments of pain, there is something to be grateful for. A kind word, a breath of fresh air, or the strength to endure. Practical tip. If you're struggling to feel grateful, start by acknowledging small, simple things. The warmth of the sun, clean water, or a supportive friend. Gratitude will grow from there. Expanded insight. The masters taught that gratitude isn't about perfection. It's about persistence. Even if you can only find one thing to be grateful for, that's enough to start shifting your vibration. Section 6. Daily practices to cultivate gratitude and miracles. The masters provided several daily practices to cultivate gratitude and invite miracles. 1. Morning gratitude ritual. Before starting your day, spend 5 minutes thinking of 3 things you are grateful for. This sets a positive tone for the day. 2. Gratitude walk. Take a walk and mentally list the things you appreciate, the beauty of nature, the air you breathe, or the people in your life. 3. Evening reflection. Reflect on the day and identify moments of time, peace, or unexpected blessings. Recognize them as small miracles. Practical reminder. Make gratitude a habit, not an occasional practice. The more you cultivate it, the more you'll notice the miracles already unfolding around you. To sum up, gratitude is not just an emotion. It's a transformative practice that opens the door to miracles. The masters of the Far East remind us that by shifting our focus to what we have, we align with the flow of divine blessings. So how will you practice gratitude today? Start small, stay consistent, and watch the miracles unfold. If this message resonated with you, like, share, and subscribe for more timeless teachings. Let us know in the comments. What are you most grateful for right now? Together, let's unlock the power of gratitude and create a life of abundance and miracles.